back to another episode of Dr. J's Good Barbecue. What I have for you today. Today we're going to do a quick little unboxing of the Slow & Sear Deluxe Kettle Grill. Enjoy. Super excited here. My Deluxe Slow & Sear Kettle Grill has arrived. Took about a week to get. I've been eyeballing this thing for a long time. So, welcome to my SnS journey. We'll start with this unboxing. Next video coming up for you guys. We will actually do an installation. Let's get rolling. Alright, let's see what you get. Number one, had a small panic attack, couldn't find the instructions, but they're installed in the main kettle here. You have your ash cleaner. We'll get into that in a later video. Let's see what we have here. We have our charcoal grate. You have your lid. And of course the main body here. Next up we have a little lid holder. Here's kind of holds all the legs together, and a little storage rack. Your easy spin grates. Side shelf. Four legs. Big old box of hardware. A couple other items here. Got a couple, came with a couple different rubs. Nice sticker for the pellet can of fame. Also a magnet. And what makes the Slow & Sear a Slow & Sear? Got the charcoal basket here with water pan. That's super cool. This is, if you guys don't have one of these yet, super girthy. Heavy. Totally pumped to get using this guy. Let's see, she's all pretty now. We'll get her all dirtied up. A little pamphlet on how to use your Slow & Sear. Voila. That's all for this one. That's what you get with the Slow & Sear Deluxe Kettle Grill. Next up, we put it all together. Hey, if you liked the video, make sure you hit that like. I'll put a subscribe icon for you. Right there. Some more Slow & Sear videos right about there. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.